all the greatest artists make self-portraits, and although I have made my first self-portrait a couple of months ago, I feel that it's time for another one, so this video will be my second self-portrait. So the way I will go about this is I'm gonna create a portrait with flowers. There is actually a lot of preparation involved for this because I choose every flower specifically for its symbolic meaning, and I'm actually really curious if you can recognize any of the flowers, so let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you like the video, a thumbs up is also much appreciated. So let's jump right into the video. Enjoy. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, of course, so you don't miss out on my future art videos. Alright, that's one flower done. I'm warmed up now, so let's do another few. Let's go! So far everything is working out pretty good. I'm gonna take a break from the flowers and I'm gonna start doing the hoodie now. So yeah, let's go. This is where I'm at right now, and it's turning out pretty good. But the thing is with these ink drawings, and it happens with all my ink drawings, is that I always see these kind of imperfections that I want to fix, and that just keeps me busy because you can always add more lines. So this drawing again is taking forever. Let's not waste any more time and continue this thing. So there you go, that was my second self-portrait. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, of course. So then I hope to see you in a couple of days in a new video. Take care.